How to delete profiles on Netflix. Let's get started. Launch your Netflix app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of My Netflix. Now over here you will find your Netflix profile. Click on it. With that, different available Netflix profiles will appear. Now click on the option of Manage Profiles. Now go ahead and click on the profile that you want to delete. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Now scroll down. At the bottom you will see the option of Delete Profile. Click on that option. All recommendations, viewing history, my list, saved games, settings and more will be permanently deleted. Click on the option of delete in order to proceed, and with that the profile will be deleted. By applying the same process, you can easily delete other profiles as well. So this is how you can easily delete profiles on Netflix. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.